In today's video, you are going to analyze Bitcoin using Elliott wave analysis in a combination of technical analysis. So you're going to use these techniques to find where exactly the price is heading. First of all, if you look at the price pattern, we can see two major bottoms. One is the way before this one, and the other one bottom that actually starts more recently is right over here from 2018 December. And from 2018 December, I have decided to make the counts. It's a clear bottom and a higher bottom, so we can probably consider this as wave 4 of a higher degree or wave 2 of a higher degree. Either case, we can see there is a correction, and from this bottom we can consider the wave count since the initial price action have been quite complex. And so the reason here is that we can consider this as simple wave 1 and wave 2 and wave 3. Now this seems pretty great. The wave nature seems very close to wave 3 as well. We can see that we have seen wave 1 and wave 3 is as strong as the theoretical analysis says, that normally wave 3s are quite stronger as compared to wave 1 and wave 5, and that's what exactly we are seeing. Now, here, the next comes the tricky part. There are a couple of possibilities. First of all, that when prices came back there, we can consider it as a double zigzag right over here, single zigzag and a correction, and a double zigzag with the truncation, or we can consider that the double zigzag completed right over here. In that case, if wave 4 is completed right over here, this is wave 5. That will be the combination. That will be the end of the 5 wave structure, starting from right over here. So wave 1 and wave 2 and wave 3 and wave 4 and wave 5. This is going to be the main count that I'm going to using. The other alternating count is that we are probably have not completed the correction right over here. Instead, the correction is going to be completed somewhere right over here. We can consider this pattern as wave A of a flat correction, wave B of a flat correction, and wave C of a flat correction. So both things are possible, and we're going to use the main count and the alternating count to discuss. And now we'll keep this in mind that this can either be A, B, or C, or this can be wave 3, 4 basically, and wave 5. In that case, this will be wave 1 of a new trend downward. Both cases, the fun thing is both cases present that this is going to be a 5-wave structure, and we are going to look at it. The only thing is that if this is a 5-wave structure of a new trend downward, in that case, when we get the correction, even though we can say that wave 2 can be deeper, because that's how we have seen that wave 2 are always deeper in correction as far as the percentage of the previous impulse wave is concerned. But in that case, we are not expecting a new high. And if this is actually wave A, B, and C, wave 4 completing right over here, in that case, we are expecting a new high. So price structure is going to be pretty same till actually goes up and then comes down and breaks this point right over here. So 28,000, 30,000 is an important point till price actually breaks that. We are going to assume that a couple of things are going to happen. We are assuming that price is going to make this UV shape, either cases, whether it's going to be a new trend, or it's going to be the new trend downward, or whether it's going to be wave 5 upward. On a smaller time frame, though, we are interested in seeing where exactly have you seen the bottom already. I'm assuming that we have I've used Elliott wave analysis to consider that. I'm considering that there is a possibility that we have one more push downwards left. And the reason for that assumption here is, or for that analysis, is that I'm considering this whole price movement as wave 1, and this is A, B, and C, a flat correction, as wave 2. And as you guys can see, a stronger wave 3, and we have A, B, and C, wave 4, and then we have wave 5 as an extended wave. So we have completed wave 1 and wave 2, and then we have even subdivided wave 3. This is even subdivided, and right now we have completed wave 4 of this particular degree, and after that we are heading downward. In that case, our target for wave 5 is going to be $31,000. Another important point is that could there be possibility that we are wrong in our labeling. In that case, the prices should easily be able to come out of this support that we are seeing, that this one, just connecting 3 points, at least 1, 2 right over here, and 3rd right over here. In that case, if price goes beyond that, that will be indication that we probably have already created a bottom right over here. But for now, at least on a 4-hourly time frame, we can see that we have seen wave A, wave B, and wave C In that case, there is a possibility that we might not see a higher high as compared to this one. Or you can consider it as wave A, B, and C, and correction, another zigzag. Both things are possible. We are getting close to the support line, and this should indicate that we are soon heading downward, and 31,000 is the target. However, if prices, as I said, are able to cross that, and most importantly, cross 43,000, in that case, will be indication that prices are heading upward. We have the percentage tool, which has drawn from the bottom at from zero, starting from zero all the way to top right over here. We can see the previous correction that came around here is almost missed 62.5 in that case, and right now we are around 50%. So this is very important, giving an indication there is a possibility that prices actually are going to go low a little, and then when it goes up, 50% itself is an important support. That's the point I wanted to mention. Let me see if I can uh, bring this to right over here. Let's say the wave 3 ended right over here too. In that case, we can still see that the price is still above 50%, and then still around 50%. It does not actually create much difference. So next few days are going to be very interesting. As I said, on a smaller time frame, it looks like we are heading downward and to touch 31,000, and after that we are expected to go upward. Wish you good luck with your trading. Have a good one, and see you guys back again on my YouTube channel. Have a good one, and bye bye.